Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the work area and removing the wheel. You need tire levers, a pump, patch kit, and appropriate wrench or quick release. Once you flip the bike or place it on a stand, shift into the smallest cog to free the wheel. Deflate the tube completely so it compresses. This prevents pinches. Then open the quick release or loosen the axle bolts and pull the wheel out, guiding the chain off the cassette. Make sure brake pads are out of the way before proceeding. Now remove the tire and assess damage. Insert a tire lever and pry one bead over the rim, then work the lever around until one side of the tire is free. Pull the tube out starting at the valve to avoid damage. Inspect the rim strip, valve hole, and tire bead for embedded glass, wire, or sharp edges. These cause repeats. If reusing the tire, run your finger along the inside to feel for debris. Once clean, slightly inflate the new or finish by seating and inflating the tire correctly. Insert the tube valve into the rim, then tuck the tube fully into the tire. Starting opposite the valve, work the bead onto the rim and ensure it seats evenly. Small pushes with your thumbs prevent pinches. Inflate to the tire's recommended PSI, checking that the valve remains straight. Spin the wheel to confirm the tire is true and the brakes engage smoothly. If you see a wobble or hear rubbing, deflate partially and reseat the bead. If leaks continue, replace the tube or check rim tape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.